What's up, YouTube? Alright, so we in a bit of a dire situation here. Well, I'm probably over exaggerating, but remember how I said, oh man, weather people don't know what they're talking about. It's all nice and sunny today. Well, went out for some fuzzy tacos, came back to work, and it's about 4 o'clock. And as you can see, it is most ominous outside. So, turns out the weather people were right. It is going to rain. It didn't rain all day like they said. But looking at those clouds, and I just got a warning message on my phone that says it's going to be freaking 60-mile-an-hour winds. And it's thundering and rumbling. And I'm at work not doing shit anyway. So I said to myself, ain't nobody got time for that. And I will proceed to get the hell out of here. Go this way so the boss don't see. Not that it matters, since as of, what day is that? Next week I quit. But I've never ridden in the rain. Hopefully I won't have to. See if I can't beat this storm. Now, I didn't see which direction the storm was coming from, but it's about 4:45, so traffic's gonna be thick. Once we get onto the highway, we're straight. I'm feeling a couple drops. Oh, it's begun. Just a couple drops, we're good. Somebody was telling me, you know, when it first starts raining, that's when it's the slickest. Just because the oil and the water is just now mixing. So I'm trying to get the hell home as fast as possible. Yesterday we played the gas game. I guess today we get to play the rain game. And it's all for you, YouTube. It looks like the storm is coming from the west, which sucks because I'm headed west. So as we get closer and closer to Friday, that's gonna be my last day at my old job, and I think Tuesday is gonna be my first day at my new job. I don't know. I know ain't nobody got time for this shit. Oh, big ass truck coming. What do we do? What do we do? Yoink. We do this. Oh! Stuff like that was all for you, YouTube. Was it safe? Hell no. But safety's for girls, man. Yeah, safety's for girls. That should be a bumper sticker, man. Safety's for girls. Come on, bro. Oh, but well, let's see. He can go now. Cool. You're not gonna go? Sometimes you gotta grab the bull by the horns. Sometimes you gotta grab that bull by them damn horns. Look at this street, man. It's like they want somebody to fall. Look at this pothole. Alright, well, hey, check this out, YouTube. Y'all get to witness my first possible rain situation. And I'm starting to feel it now. It's coming down. Oh, yeah. It's just a couple drops here and there. What's the protocol? What should you do? Should you pull over under a bridge right now while it's still, hey, there goes my brethren. Let's follow him to safety. It's starting to come down. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I feel it. First impressions of the rain. It hurts. Yeah, it actually feels like little darts. The wind is actually A little heavier also. I think I'm gonna keep it in fifth because I'm probably gonna need to split. Traffic's a little heavy. Like right here. Right there where they can't pass each other. Boom. Hey, there goes another biker. Yeah, man. Ain't nobody trying to get caught in this. We are out. Let's go, big dog. All right. Uh-oh. Lightning. It's coming down a little more frequently. I gotta get over. Oh yeah, it's coming. Coming, dude, it's here. Oh my God, it's here. And it hurts. It hurts, god damn, it hurts. Oh man, I'm getting rained on. And this is all for you, YouTube. My buddy over there don't seem to bother him, and he in a t-shirt. I at least got on a decent helmet and my Joe Rocket. Alright, we need to start getting over. Oh man. Oh, I'm getting soaked and it hurts, bro. Well, it doesn't hurt, but it's slightly uncomfortable. We'll say that much. These guys going 10 miles an hour don't help. Ain't nobody got time for that. Oh, lightning. Did y'all see that, YouTube? Oh, man. I think we need to throw the lights on. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Let's throw the lights on and get our visibility up, because y'all know, like I always say, these cages ain't looking. And you want your visibility up as much as possible. You probably don't want to be white lining. That's another thing. Probably don't want to be white lining, or at least going too fast. Well, some people call it white lining, lane splitting, filtering in the rain, because that center line is painted and it's actually a little slicker than the ground is. So you end up sliding on that. Somebody said it's only breaking the law if you get caught. But no, this is totally dangerous, bro. If it wasn't raining, I wouldn't be doing this. And cops will totally pull you over if they see you doing this. So I don't recommend it. Man, why are we slowing down on the bridge? Oh man, are you serious? This is usually like clear. Now we got bumper to bumper. So what happens when you got bumper to bumper traffic on a bike? Time to get that split on. Like I said, man, you just gotta commit when you're splitting. Just gotta commit. This was definitely a first. And I can see it wasn't that bad, you know, just a little drizzle. If I could just get around this truck. I don't know if anybody's gonna be a dick though, you know what I mean? Some people don't like the fact that you're lane splitting, even though it doesn't impede them at all. They just don't like the fact that, hey, you can do this and I can't. And so, well, it's not lane splitting and we have a whole nother lane. I also like to leave it in a higher gear just so they can hear me coming a little bit better. If once I get the Yoshi, I really won't have to, but it's nice and tight up like this. you're in a situation where they can't get over, like him right here, he can't get over because he'd hit that other car, just burst through it. Like him right here, he kind of moved over, let me know he was cool with me coming through there. You see that dude brake check me? That wasn't right, man. Hey. That wasn't right, man. You in the cage, bro. You're safe and sound. I'm in here getting rained on. Really poured down over here. Well, alright, YouTube. It's supposed to rain all night long. We'll see how much truth there is to that. If it is dry tomorrow, I will make another video. I'm also gonna, somebody said, hey bro, you should edit your videos. So I'm gonna take that to heart. I'm gonna start editing some of these videos because I know there's some pauses in between, and ain't nobody got time for that dead air. So I'm at the house now. About to go pack it in. Thank y'all for watching. As usual, comment, rate, like, subscribe. You know, in the comments. Got any questions, leave them in the comments. Until then, peace out.